What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Educated Barfly. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the Pegu Club. The Pegu Club was the house cocktail of a club for expatriates in Rangoon, Burma, and dates back to possibly around 1866. It was first published in Harry McElhone's Cocktails and Barflies in 1927, and that's what I got for you. So let's get into making it. First thing we're going to do is 3/4 an ounce of lime juice. And I'm going to move that over here. Next up, 3/4 of an, please move, 3/4 of an ounce. There, I like to do label out. 3/4 of an ounce of dry Curacao. We're going to do a single dash of Angostura bitters and a single dash of orange bitters. Today we're doing Regans. And then 2 ounces of gin. Today we're using Plymouth. We're just going to take our ice and we're going to put it in our tin, combine our cocktail, lock our tin as we do, center our glass, maybe center it here, and shake. And we're just gonna that out and double strain to get rid of the ice shards. And this guy actually goes garnishless. I'm gonna put these over here actually. So there you got it. The Pegu Club. Let's taste it. Or spill it all over the ground. Bright and citrusy and very dry. It's not going to have a lot of sugar, and it's going to be very dry in the finish because this doesn't actually have sugar content. The only sugar content is coming from the dry Curacao, which is going to dry it out. You're going to get that orange pop. You get a little bit of the orange bitters in there, as well as a kind of spiciness from the Angostura, but it's going to be lacking that sort of sharpness and sweetness, which is great for people who, like to have a nice dry cocktail. Yeah, and you get that nice, you want to use a nice classic gin. We did not use London Dry today. We used Plymouth, which is its own style of gin, and it works really well because it has it has that botanical flavor, but it also has a lot of citrus elements to it. So it's really good in these citrus cocktails. Cheers.